everybody, welcome back to Harry's Happenings. Now, I don't know about you, you probably have problems with wind when you're filming, wind on the microphone with your Sony camcorder. This is the one that I use, and it's a very sensitive stereo mic, but it picks up a lot of wind. As I found out when I was on the back of a bike in Ho Chi Minh with my friend, if you go on windy days, you're always getting a lot of wind noise. So what I've done, and I'm going to try this, is that I bought these little patches. They're not actually for the camera, the Sony, but they're called FDR-X3000 wind covers. So I'm going to try putting it on, and I'll do a test first of all on my bike, so you'll get some wind noise, and then I'll see about how I'm going to apply these. Now if it works, it means you don't have to you don't have to cover up the front here with fabric or paper with elastic bands. It looks really messy, and it doesn't look very professional, does it? I love the Sony Action Cam, but when it is noisy with the wind, it's very difficult to actually edit that out on the software. So let's get started. I'm going to do some filming on the bike, just a short example of what it's like without this, and then I'm going to have a look at how to apply this and see if it makes any difference. So stay tuned. It's a little bit of a breeze today, but not much. So these URSA circles are obviously just a little dead cat fur with a fabric on the back, and it's about 20 millimeters across. And then you get these stickers which peel off at the back. Now this is really for a mic, a lap mic, not for a Sony Action Cam. But the idea for me is to somehow get it on there and make sure that obviously it's perforated in some way from the back, so I can actually get the sound out. And but I'll try some different things. But I just want to show you, this is the pack. You get 9 fur circles and 30 sticky ones. So that's what we're going to be testing. Right, I'm a little bit concerned that if I put a sticker which is going to go over the mic with the fur, that it will stop the sound coming in. So what I thought I'd do, we've got this space at the top where it says Sony. I think I'll cut this so it doesn't cover the microphone up, and then stick it on and then see if that works. As long as this stays on and doesn't cover up the microphone, I think that's what I need to do at the moment. I just need a little bit at the top, and then peel this off. I really want to place it so it doesn't affect the microphone. Whoops. Like so. Right, now I have to just peel this front one off. It's a very thin, sticky cover, so I don't know if you can see that. And then I'll put this over the top and hopefully it will stick just to the top, like that. It seems good, and you can see that it's not covering up the microphone with, you know, the sticky tape. And what I will do is I'll trim this because it looks a bit silly and it's not necessary to have. So that looks a lot neater, doesn't it? And as long as it stays on there, I will cut that in a minute, and then I need to check the results, and hopefully that will solve all my problems when I'm out and about. So now I need to try it out. Let's get out on the bike again. So this is with the little dead cat on the front. Same wind conditions. Right, I'm just back from the second cycle ride with the fur on the front. Let's have a look at the comparisons of the noise levels as seen on my computer. So as you can see on my editing software, which is Cyberlink Power Director, I've put the two clips. This is the first one without any fur dead cat, and this is the second one. So this is me talking originally, but as you go on the little journey on my bike, you can see that it actually does soften the sound quite dramatically, and you'll see this anyway on the clip that I've got here. So it does work, and it's a very neat thing to put on, and it looks great, I think. So I hope that was useful. I think you can see there's a definite improvement. It may not be perfect, but I think it's going to be much better. So if you found this useful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got quite a few videos in the pipeline from my overseas trips. My next one is going to be in Hanoi in a few weeks' time. And yeah, I would thoroughly recommend these. I am not paid to promote them, but I just think that was a really cool option to cure a very simple problem. So thanks for watching, and see you again soon.